here, I am just here briefly this evening to quickly showcase some of my delicious Nigerian delicacies that are coming your way down the summer. Okay, so what am I speaking of? Do you have a close-up view of it? I do have here one of my favorite delicacies from Nigeria is beef suya. Suya, guys. This is some beef suya made by no one else but more from the scratch. Beef suya made from the scratch, guys. Can you see that? How it is laced with that suya spice. Ooh. Whoa. Get me some beef. Quite tender and tasty, guys. Indeed. And beside it, I have another exotic cuisine from homeland, and this is Akara. Akara. Yes, my people. Now Akara I dey talk oh. Yes, sir. Now Akara. Akara. Usually we'll have Akara and Akamu, but this evening I am combining two proteins together. Imagine that, guys. With some delicacy here. Some watermelon balls from this watermelon basket. Whoa. Guys, isn't she gorgeous? I'm going to show you instructions step by step on how you can recreate this and wow your friends in that summer party that you are holding this year, or just yourself and your family. So guys, watermelon ball, guys, here it is. It is so refreshing, so refreshing. So I made this watermelon balls, have it refrigerated and brought it out the fridge. Similar experience I would say to having some ice cone, but even better because this is all natural watermelon, guys. There is no sugar, no artificial additives. It is yeah, watermelon balls. You can create these tomorrow 6 p.m. at the premiere. I will show you how you can get this done. Watermelon fruit basket is premiering tomorrow, which is what, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So guys, stay tuned, and I please cherish your visits. Come and enjoy this premiere video with me, because you will leave that section with a lot of benefits, how you can create one for yourself, and I'm going to be giving out some good tips, guys, on fruit art. So guys, you don't want to miss it. So I look forward to having you when tomorrow for our gorgeously adorned watermelon fruit basket award winners. Tonight, tomorrow, 6 p.m. premiere. Until then, love you all. Bye-bye.